The Nomad Welding Table conveniently moves around your work area on two sturdy castors so you can bring the table to your work instead of bringing the work to your table. You can adjust the height of the Nomad table from 26 inches to 32 inches so you can work comfortably and efficiently by setting the table at the ideal height for each project. Two retractable, perpendicular guide rails can be used as a fence to stop, locate, and clamp your work. Three 1.1-inch wide by 22-inch long slots on the tabletop allow you to insert clamps to hold your materials at any point along the tabletop in the ideal position for welding. When your work is done, simply lower the guide rails to move them out of the way for the setup of your next project. The Nomad tabletop tilts to three positions: horizontal, 30 degrees, and folded for moving and storage. In the folded position, you can easily roll your Nomad just outside your shop, or load your Nomad into your truck for work out in the field. You can take the Nomad along with you wherever you need a safe, efficient welding surface. When space in the shop is tight, the Nomad is the perfect space-saving solution. In the folded position, your Nomad table can be stored out of the way until you need it again. The Nomad table is designed to conveniently suit your work style and your budget. Whether you're working in the shop or out in the field, you can count on the portable Nomad table to provide a versatile welding surface so you can work safely, comfortably, and efficiently.